Hello mga kapitbahay! Today we are with Joelle Villafranca, one of our community leaders sa Voice Actors at Home PH. And today sasagutin niya yung tanong, paano ba maging e-learning voice actor sa Pilipinas? So take it away, Joelle.
So I hope you don't mind if I speak in English because that's the language I'm most comfortable with.
Sure.
So, well, really briefly, I've been doing e-learning or corporate VOs for the past 2 years already. And
Nice.
to focus more on e-learning, even before you jump into it, you have to understand that there are several different versions of e-learning. E-learning kind of overlaps with corporate projects as well. So that could be internal videos that for HR or any department that teaches their employees about things inside the company. So that is also considered as e-learning. There's also another faction of e-learning where you teach people how to speak a certain language. So the ones that I do, of course, because English is almost my first language basically, I teach people how to speak English through my VOs.
Nice.
So, yeah, I just read scripts very, very slowly in the proper pronunciation and grammar, and yeah, they just listen to the audio takes of that, and that's how they learn how to speak English.
That's super solid. Personally, I've gotten a few projects as well in the insurance side of things. Have you gotten those kinds of projects? Out of curiosity?
Insurance, no.
Yeah. No, but it's true
Mostly the whole English teaching.
English
companies,
teaching.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's another example. You mentioned like internal corporate training.
Yes.
There is a lot of like internal corporate training for like insurance companies as well, or any kind of company, advertising agency. If it needs any kind of internal training, usually that's a kind of e-learning.
Yes.
Awesome. So that's all for today. So again, next time, see you mga kapitbahay.